folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm doing an unboxing of something that everybody's already probably seen, but I found one. I found one of these KOBALT mini toolboxes. Yes, it's pink. It's like thing I'd find. I bought my kids some too. There, let's look at this. KOBALT, pink. Pink box thingamajiggy. Let's open this up with something fun. Where's all my knives? Got my knife here. Let's open this up. Yeah. Got this and this. Why did I buy these? Because I like... Sometimes the coolest things are what other people find. So anyway. This is the KOBALT unboxing. Ooh, pink stuff. Let me put this right here so we don't hurt the thing. It is a mini toolbox. Let me close the top here. Show you. KOBALT product number 5462039. Comes in. Where is it? I'll show you the top here. Comes in that many colors. So far, I found the black one and the pink one. I haven't seen any of these. They sell them for really stupid amounts of money on eBay. And what is it? It's just your average little teeny tiny. It opens up like so. I don't know how far it goes back. It goes down like that. There's a drawer here and a drawer there. It's a mini toolbox. They're like, if you take your military discount, and I think it's $17.98, and my daughter likes it. All it needs is a key lock, a bottom check, and some rollers. It's actually made pretty good. It's not made too terrible. Some bent metal. I would assume it's spot welded in place. It's got a standard piano hinge. Typical cheap drawers. I don't know how do you get them out. How do these drawers come up? Something in the back. Something's stopping it. I would assume you have to take a piece of something and stuff it in there. Let me try to take this apart, just because that's how I roll. Let me put, that's too wide. I need a screwdriver. Something long and flat. Let's see this, maybe. Nope. That won't work. What about one of these? How the hell does this come apart? Guess you gotta pop that up. Here I am, already trying to wreck the place. Huh? Oh, I see how that works. Come on. I need a bigger screw. Anyway, there's a little lock in there. Check it out. I already put a scratch in it. I wrecked it. Oh, what am I gonna do with it? I got a black one for me. Actually, my son might want the black one, so I'll keep the pink one. Yep. So if you're one of those like me, and you can find this at Lowe's, apparently they don't advertise them. They just put them out and people kind of get them. I hear they make good jewelry boxes. I don't own any women jewelry. I only own man jewelry. See, man jewelry. Rusty man jewelry. See, I only have like man stuff. So with that said, I think it's a cool little toy. Honestly, if I had a permanent garage, I'd make like a whole line of them because they're, I mean, look at them. You can use them for like nuts and bolts. Basically, they're like the wheat boxes. Only they're $20. My little wheat box, hoot, whatever the hell you say it, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers for drill bits. So I could literally make a thing for drill bits in here. Put some drill bits in here. Put some drill bits in here. And honestly, it's made in China and it's probably the same quality as that piece of thing. It's the same freaking thing. So it's not cheap. It's not high end, but it's pink and it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy some jewelry. Yeah. Anyway, check it out. They're $20 at Lowe's, and they come in multiple colors. They just gotta make camouflage now. Yep. Or fluorescent black. Yeah. I want fluorescent black. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.